What's up, guys? Friday, December 6th, 2024. This project here is the swag roll, tool roll up, whatever you want to call it. This one's for me. Found this online. This is just a nylon material that his junk ain't gonna last. By this company, but what's nice is they're not in metric, they're in English, so it's not your your number 2 punch or your 35 millimeter or whatever it is, and then you gotta find a chart online or some conversion to figure out what is a 1/4 or 1/8 inch hole punch. So this one's in inches. The size is English standard. So all that stuff that's online is all in centimeters or millimeters, and you got to convert the crap. So, but yeah, it's just a swag roll. Just I'm gonna make mine out of leather because this is just all nylon crap. So, I've already glued the 2 pieces together. Just getting ready to edge bevel, and then this is gonna be my piece that is gonna be the attachment. I've already marked out where they need to be as far as the spacing for each punch. So go ahead and get started. Gonna bevel this out. I've went real light. The back side here is leather as well, just veg tan. 3 to 4 ounce, and then this front cover is 1 to 2, and then this piece here is a 3 to 4 ounce. The cover that's gonna be the pouch to hold the tools on there. So gonna go ahead and get started here. Hopefully you guys can see this from my workbench angle. I've already used the burnisher to kind of sand down the edges, just taking off, getting the edge real smooth here. I am using a number 1 keen edge beveler to do the edges and bevel edges here. Going all the way around both sides, because there is some uneven spots on the back. All you leather crafters out there, how you coming along with your projects? Getting your Christmas items done for your customers, friends, and family? Got about 4 orders in the queue, and just needed to get this done so that I can use my swag roll so I can get my swag on, y'all. And guys, what the hell is wrong with you guys? I get 400 views on one single video. On any given video, I'm getting 250 to 475 views. I get 2-3 thumbs up. This isn't a monologue here. This is a dialogue, you know. I do the video, you guys participate in the comment section. You know, I'm going to only do one video a week if there's no participation because it's really not worth my time. So, I'm out.